Hello everyone, this is Ikra, and today my task is to configure OSPF on router 1 and router 2 so that PC1 and PC2 could ping each other successfully. So for this I already enabled OSPF on router 1 as well as router 2. Okay, so for this I just followed 3 steps. The first step is I enable OSPF protocol on both routers by assigning process ID 1, and the second step is I enable OSPF on router interfaces. So here, okay, so on both router interfaces where those routers are connected to each other, and the third step is I enable OSPF on router interface where PCs are connected. So for this, for the verification, I'll go to router 1 and write here show IP route command to see whether OSPF is enabled or not. So here we see that OSPF is successfully enabled on router 1, and let's see on router 2. So we write command here show IP route. So here we see that OSPF is already enabled on router 2. So let's ping PC1 to PC2 just for the confirmation. Okay, so ping 192.168.2 as this is the IP of PC2. So you see here that PC1 is successfully pinged to PC2. Now we will be showing on PC2 that whether PC2 is able to ping PC1 or not. So ping 10.0.0.2 is the IP of PC1 as you people can see. So now PC2 is also successfully pinged to PC1. Okay, so the second task is enable MD5 OSPF authentication on router 1 and router 2 in area 0, and R1 should be able to ping R2's loopback after this. Okay, so for this I enable OSPF protocol on router 1 by assigning process ID 1 to both of routers. The second step is OSPF, I just enable OSPF on router interfaces, they both are connected. The third step is I enable OSPF on loopback interfaces. Okay, I already enabled OSPF authentication on router 1 and router 2 interfaces connected to each other. So let's verify both of them. So for the verification, I'll write show IP OSPF interface. So here we write interface this FA 0/0. Okay, so here we can see that this is a message like I enable message digest authentication enabled. So the MD5 is successfully enabled on router 1. We can show here on router 2 as well. Like here we also write command show IP OSPF interface FA 0/0. So here as we can see message digest authentication enabled. So on the second router MD5 is successfully enabled. So we can ping and check it out whether they can ping to each other or not. So we write command here ping 1.1.1.1 as this is the IP address of router 1. So here we see that this is successfully pinged to router 1. Let's see on the other side. We ping router 2 from here. Okay, so router 1 is successfully pinged router 2. So I have successfully performed MD5 authentication lab